Hello friends, in our class today we are given this question to find A, B and C in this our circle geometry, and to solve this problem we can see that we have x, y, z and w. The theorem that is suitable to solve this is two theorems or three, depending on the one you desire to use. But the one I will use is the first one that says 128 degrees, 128 degrees plus A is equals to 360 degrees. Why? Because sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. All right. So A is the same thing as 360 degrees minus 128. So my A is now equals to 232 degrees. So this place is 232 degrees. From here, I can get my C easily. If you remember a theorem that says angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So my C is the same thing as 232 degrees divided by 2. Why? Because angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. All right. So C is now the same thing as 116 degrees. So that is the value of my C. If I want to get my B, there are two ways to get B. I can say the same theorem here. This one and this one has the same arc sign. Therefore, I can divide this by 2 to get B. So my B can also be 128 degrees divided by 2. That is angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So my B is now equals to 64 degrees. All right. So these are the value of A, B, and C. I can still get my B by saying C plus B equals to 180 degree because they are cyclic quadrilateral. But I have used this to get it. Thank you.